If you need to clean or replace your mass airflow sensor on a 300 series Land Cruiser, check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video, and this is another video on the 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series, and again this is the GLX model. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor from the airbox. So of course we're going to need to open up our bonnet. To do that we go to the driver's side or right hand side of the vehicle, into the footwell and pull this lever here. Come back to the front of the car, hand in just above the Toyota badge and push the lever to the left, and that is what the lever looks like there. And then just looking around the engine bay, main engine block, couple of fuse boxes around, coolant reservoir down the middle, and I'll make some more videos on that shortly. And then this is our airbox to the right. And then just on this induction tube here, you can see this little bit here, and that is actually our mass airflow sensor. So to remove and replace it, the first thing you can do is just take the electrical connection off by pushing in that tab there. And then we're just going to use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver to take out both screws all the way. Just please bear in mind I'm doing this one-handed, but it's still nice and simple to do. Of course you want to put the screw somewhere safe. And then the second one is just there as well. So again, nice and simple to do. I'm just doing this one-handed. With both screws now off, we should be able to easily retract the sensor, which looks like that. So there we go, that's our mass airflow sensor. So what I'd tell you to do is either use your VIN number, which I've made a video on, or check out the numbers down there so you can order the right part. But this is what this looks like. So making sure you don't damage any of the electrical components, and I wouldn't recommend taking this apart any further. I would just be replacing it. And to get that back in, nice and simple. Don't allow it to bash on the sides and just get it straight back in. Locate it round so that this tab is actually hard up against there, and then we can get our screws from earlier, which are just in my pocket, and just start to put those back in by hand so you don't drop them down into the engine bay. Same with that one there. And then of course we get our screwdriver, and now this is just into plastic, so there's no need to do this up super tight, and it has got a rubber gasket separately anyway, so no need to do it up super tight. Once you've done up both the screws and you're happy that it's all the way in, give it a quick twist, make sure it doesn't go anywhere. We're going to go our electrical connection from earlier, bring that back up onto the sensor until it hears click. And there you go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor on a 2023 Toyota Land Cruiser 300 series. If you found this video helpful, please do give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.